Welcome to this video in which I'll show you how to administrate proposals for changes and additions to the PCE literature website. So first you'll have to go to the admin section. That's up here, the admin button in the bar. And then you have to log in if you're not already logged in. And once you're logged in, you'll be on this main administration page. And then on the left in the navigation, you go to proposals. And you'll find a list of all the proposals for additions and changes that people have made on the main website. You have a brief overview with author, title, publication date, and if it's a change proposal, here in the publication column, it will show the original name of the publication that it is a change for, and you can even click that and go to the publication itself to see the original publication if you want to. Okay, now if there's a publication, proposal that you just want to accept, for example, you imported it yourself because it's probably actually the fastest way to get multiple new references added to the database. If you're an administrator yourself, just use the importer on the home page and then accept the proposals here. So let's say you just want to accept this one. You go to this check mark here, the apply on the right side, and press that. It'll show you a brief overview of the publication that you're about to add. And if you're fine with that, you just press yes, I'm sure, and it will be added as a publication to the database. And it takes a few minutes, maybe half an hour or an hour or so for the website to update, but after that it can be found like any other reference on the main website. Now if there's a proposal you just want to reject because you know it's nonsense, like this one here, you can go again on the right to the X, the delete button, and press that, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete this one? It'll show you what kind of proposal it was, and if you're sure, you just press yes, I'm sure, and then that proposal is gone. And now if you want to accept the proposal, but you notice that something, like you're fine with this in general, but something's wrong. For example, you know that this one was actually published in 2010 rather than 2011. You can go up here to the Edit tab, and you'll get a form where you can make changes to that proposal. You can add stuff if you have additional information, or you can change anything. For example, here we'll go to issued, change that from 2011 to 2010, and then once we've made that change, scroll all the way down, go to save, and now that change has been saved. So here you can see it now says 2010 rather than 2011, and now we're happy with this proposal, so we press yes, I'm sure, and again that proposal has been added as a publication to the database. And for change proposals, if you want to accept that, it's pretty similar, but you'll actually get a preview of what the changes are. So for example here, and they're highlighted. So for example here you can see the author is being changed from John Doe to Jane Doe, the issue date from 2011 to 2010, and the volume of that journal from 143 to 133. And if you're fine with that, again, press yes, I'm sure, and then the change to that publication will be made, and from then on the changed publication can be found that way on the website. Yeah, that's what you can do with proposals as an administrator. Thanks for watching.